Today I want to show you guys a nice routine that you can put in your body a week that will improve your skin, that will coat your digestive system, your colon, and ultimately give your skin the tightening and the glow that I went to the grocery store to actually get a nice big one here, as you can see. So what I'm about to do is cut this thing open and show you guys how I consume this. My clear bowl right here, and I got my strainer to make sure I strain out all of the aloe vera. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to cut open this aloe vera, and I'm pretty much going to drink it. Okay, so you want to pour a little bit of water on top of the strainer so that way you can get all of the aloe vera and all of the antioxidants and all of the vitamins and nutrients that come with it. So then you want to just pour it in a cup and get ready to drink. Alright, I'm not drinking that, eating that part. Thanks so much for watching that. That was actually pretty tasteless. I don't know if you ever tasted aloe vera, but aloe vera is a tasteless plant, and of course you can put it on your skin for healing. So imagine what it can do inside of your body. So I just want to let you guys know that I drank all of that and I'm actually fine. There's nothing technically wrong as far as I won't spit it up or throw it up or anything like that. Again, it doesn't have any taste to it. It was very good. It's very good for my digestive system. It is one of the ways that I keep my skin tight. I keep my skin very clean. I don't want no breakouts. I want a very smooth digestive system. I don't want any constipation. And overall, I just want a healthy, alkaline environment. So you guys, I don't know if you'll like this video because I don't know if you'll like aloe vera, but I hope that you learned a little bit from this, and I'll continue to drink this. And if you can, send me a video or tell me about your experience about drinking aloe vera and what it can do or how better you felt.